Hello everyone, so tonight I'm staying at the Travelodge Amesbury Stonehenge. I've been given room 15 on the ground floor. So here's the key. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. What to do in case of a fire. A mirror. Hello. Light switches. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right is the cupboard space with some hangers, extra towel and extra pillows, storage below, and more storage above together with a fan. Right in here is the bathroom. With the toilet, sink, and bathtub. And obviously the mirror. That is the bed. It does look quite comfortable. On either side of the bed you have a bedside table with storage below, light switch, and 2 USB ports. The light is right above. Same goes for that side. The light, 2 USB ports, light switches, and a bedside table with storage. And if those 4 USB ports are not enough for you, there are actually another 2 within the desk area. And obviously you have a plug and a light switch. Kettle together with your tea making facilities, and the desk area with the flat screen LG TV. There are also lights on either sides of the mirror, which is in the middle. And there is a chair right there. Huge space in this room, I would say. Okay, so that is the view out of the window the next morning. Right there is the road that is leading to the exit. But apart from that, you can see the garden next to the hotel. Another part of the hotel right opposite. That's where the reception is. And yeah. So that's it for the room tour of room 15 at the Travelodge Amesbury Stonehenge. Thanks for watching and goodbye.